Today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and on the right upper corner tap to the more icon. Now just go to the settings, and here you'll see the voicemail section, tap there. Now just go to the notifications section, and here tap to the advanced options. Here, as can you see, we got the sound section. Now we got just the phone notification sound, but we can change these notifications to the another sound. And here, as can you see, we can set our own notification from our device music, or for example from the internet file. But we'll go for example with this one. Now just tap here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our voicemail notification sound. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.